Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best camping chair is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned camper, a casual tailgater, or simply someone who enjoys relaxing in the backyard, a comfortable and reliable chair is a must-have. Today, we're diving deep into the Ozark Trail Camping Chair in blue, putting it through its paces to see if it lives up to the hype and earns a spot in your gear collection. Number 5. Alpha Camp 450 pounds heavy-duty camping chair. This oversized camping chair is perfect for outdoor adventures. It's designed for comfort and durability, making it ideal for relaxing in your garden or at the beach. With a large seat area and padded armrests, this chair ensures maximum comfort. The 600x300D padded Oxford fabric adds to the overall comfort of this chair. The chair can support up to 450 pounds, thanks to its sturdy steel frame. The hammer tone powder coating prevents corrosion, ensuring it lasts for years. It comes with a mesh cup holder, side storage pocket, and a cooler bag. These features provide convenient storage for your essentials, keeping everything within reach. This folding camping chair is easy to set up and fold. It collapses down to a compact size and is lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just relaxing at home, this chair is a great choice. It's designed to provide supreme comfort wherever you go. What we like. This chair is designed for ultimate comfort and support. It boasts a generous size and can hold up to 450 pounds, making it perfect for anyone. Plus, the built-in cooler bag keeps your drinks cold. If you are looking for a chair that offers both space and convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. The chair is very sturdy. It has a nice cup holder. It folds up easily and fits back into the carrying bag. Number 4. Overmont XL Camping Chair, 400 pound support. This oversized chair provides ample space and exceptional support for larger individuals. It can hold up to 400 pounds, ensuring a comfortable seating experience for everyone. Indulge in the ultimate relaxation with the chair's generous padding. It features soft, high-density cotton filling, providing exceptional support and comfort for hours. Built to last, the chair features reinforced double stitching in high-stress areas. The legs are designed with an angled tilt for improved relaxation, making it more comfortable. Designed with the user in mind, it includes an oversized cup holder and a large cooler bag. The side mesh pocket provides easy access to personal items. Perfect for various settings like your backyard, fishing trips, or camping adventures. This chair combines portability with luxury, allowing you to enjoy comfort wherever you go. All Overmont products come with a 1-year warranty. Shop with confidence, and feel free to contact customer service for any inquiries. Your satisfaction is the highest priority. What we like. This chair prioritizes comfort with its plush padding. It's built to last with a sturdy frame and thoughtful features like a cooler bag and cup holder. If you like to relax in style and need a chair that can handle it all, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy setup, a little tough to pack up, but awesome for ice fishing because the legs are basically straight down, therefore they don't kick out like most chairs brought on the ice. Solid. The rivets and plastic cross bracing look heavier than other chairs I've owned in the past. Plenty of storage. The attached cooler is spacious. The flat storage on the side will hold a tablet phone easily and is protected from rain by the overhanging armrest. The cup holder is 4G and holds my Nalgene bottle easily. There is also a storage net behind the headrest. Number 3. ARROWHEAD Outdoor Oversized Folding Camping Chair. This chair is perfect for any outdoor activity. It's lightweight and easy to carry, yet incredibly comfortable. It's like having your favorite indoor chair, but you can take it anywhere. Keep your essentials close at hand with a built-in cup holder and storage pouch. You can easily store your phone, bottle opener, or anything else you need. Everything is within easy reach. Built to last, this chair features a heavy-duty steel frame and rugged 600D canvas fabric. It can support up to 330 pounds. You can relax knowing this chair is built to handle it. Setting up this chair is a breeze. Just pull it out of the bag and unfold it. It's ready to use in seconds, so you can spend more time enjoying the outdoors. Arrowhead Outdoor is based in Atlanta, Georgia and is ready to help you. They are there to support your adventures, wherever they may take you. What we like. This chair is all about convenience and ease of use. It's lightweight and easy to set up, making it ideal for on-the-go adventures. With a cup holder and storage pouch, it keeps essentials within reach. If you are looking for a simple, reliable chair for various outdoor activities, consider this. What people say. It is also shockingly comfortable compared to a normal camping chair, and it gives you real support. It is so comfortable. I can accomplish that perfectly. So comfy and well made. Number 2. Arrowhead Deluxe Folding Camp Quad Chair. This chair is perfect for any outdoor activity. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for camping, tailgates, and sporting events. Made with heavy-duty 600D Oxford polyester canvas fabric, this chair is built to last. The material is durable and can withstand various weather conditions. Keep your drinks cold and your essentials close. The armrest cooler can hold up to 6 cans, and the storage pouch is perfect for your phone or bottle opener. Enjoy your favorite stemmed glasses with the built-in wine glass holder. It securely clips to the chair, keeping your glass within reach. Keep your drinks at the perfect temperature with the insulated cup holder. It fits glasses, cups, and cans up to 4.5 inches wide. Store your essentials in a large mesh storage compartment on the back. It's perfect for hats, sunglasses, snacks, and other loose items. What we like. This chair elevates your outdoor experience with its unique features. It includes a wine glass holder and an insulated cup holder to keep your drinks at the perfect temperature. The built-in 6-can cooler adds extra convenience. If you enjoy a touch of luxury and want to enhance your outdoor relaxation, this chair is perfect for you. What people say. The chair has a sturdy frame. It is easy to fold up and store. The built-in cup holder is a nice feature. Number 1. Alpha Camp 2-Pack Portable Folding Camping Chair. Double the comfort for your outdoor adventures. This set includes 2 chairs, perfect for sharing. Each chair comes with a dedicated carry bag for easy transport and storage. Keep your drinks ice cold and within reach. The integrated cooling bag on the armrest holds up to 3 cans. It's perfect for staying refreshed on hot days. Crafted with high-grade 600D Oxford fabric and a reinforced steel frame. This chair supports up to 350 pounds, providing long-lasting durability and stability. It's built to last. Features a convenient cup holder and a large side storage pocket. The ergonomic design and padded armrests offer superior relaxation for long hours of sitting. You'll love the comfort. Weighing only 5 pounds per chair, this collapsible design is easy to fold and unfold in seconds. It's an ideal choice for camping, fishing, sporting events, or relaxing in your backyard. Take it anywhere. What we like. This chair offers great value with its 2-pack set, perfect for sharing the comfort. It features a built-in 3-can cooler to keep your drinks cold. The durable construction and portability make it ideal for any outdoor gathering. If you are looking for a great deal and want to enjoy outdoor activities with a friend or family member, this is a great option. What people say. I love the fact that this has an insulated area that you can stick cold or hot items and zip it up to keep them warm. The chairs are sturdy as well as the bags that you carry them in. They are comfortable, I feel they are quality made, and offer a great back support. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.